I'm really excited to share with you guys this new technique that I discovered. And you're just going to take a series of vibrant colors and apply them in patches on your nail. It doesn't matter if it's not neat because you're going to cover it up in the end anyway. For this next step, you're going to take a piece of Scotch tape and crazy scissors, and you could buy these at any dollar store or craft store. And you're just going to cut a piece off. And then line the next piece up. Like I've done here. And just cut it off. And then you have the next piece over here. And this you're going to use and you're going to put it on your nail once they're completely dry. So I'm going to use 3 different designs, and I already cut them, a bunch of them, and put them on scissors so they can easily be peeled off and put on your nail. For this next part, you're going to take the pieces of tape that you cut earlier and just place them in different directions along your nail. Now you have to make sure that your nails are completely dry when you're doing this. Otherwise, the tape will, or the nail polish will come off when you're taking your tape off. Next, you're just going to apply black nail polish on top. Before it dries, you're going to peel off the pieces of tape. Make sure that you peel them off the opposite order that you lay them down. And of course, the last step is to apply a top coat to protect your design.